Hi everyone, I want to share about my hair system. This hair system is from Newlacecu. This is the best hair system I have ever had because it's very look natural, beautiful and healthy. Yes, I wash my hair 2 times a week. It's like normally hair. Yeah, after I wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner, and then I rub my hair maybe about 10 until 15 minutes like this with towel. Yeah, and then time to blow dry. Yes guys, this is finally my daily routine with Newlacecu hair system. And now I'm ready to go. Bye.